Mga hinahangaang personalidad.
I hate yung ang bait-bait mo sa harap tapos sa likod panira ka ng panira. Hindi po.
At hindi mo kamukha yung nanay mo. Yung comfort niya, napakalabo rin. Sabi naman niya, sana naging lalaki ka na lang.
Ay! Ano ba yun?
Ayaw kong i-overpower ako, i-dominate o i-overwhelm ako ng iba.
May premyo ba?
Kiss, Tita Mel.
Oh,
Thank you, kiss,
kami ng
love,
potato
Ang
chips.
pipig naman dito, walang ano.
affection, thank you. Ang mga pinakasikat na artista.
Nais ko kayong pasalamatan kahit man lamang sa aking awitin.
I will speak for all of us.
Sige, go
Tumitingin kami. Pero hanggang text lang.
Hanggang text lang.
Kasi nga, they were saying, Rufa, huwag kang sumali sa Miss Philippines, artista ka na. Paano pag matalo ka, wala ka ng career na babalikan?
Mga manlilikha.
They don't know that I come running home when I fall down.
Galit ako sa kanya. Kasi inaaway niya si Andrew Ian.
At lumikha ng ingay.
I love you, Ishi. Who will take care of me now?
If I can share what I've gone through, then that's enough for me.
Di ba? Tukso ko ng tukso yung sarili mo, hindi mo matukso sa akin.
Oh my God, we're back again.
Mga malalaking pangalan pinagsama-sama dito sa Sis Exclusive.
Good morning, everybody!
Exclusive ang araw. Ito namin sa inyo mga sis.
Correct. Dahil today magsasama-sama for the first time ang apat na pinagpapantasyahan ng mga kalalakihan.
Pero huwag niyo silang selosan, di ba? I mean, my gosh. Huwag niyo na silang pagselosan. Nabasa ko sa ilalim. Alright, mga sis, trabaho lang naman yan at wala silang aagawan. Okay?
Kaya, well, alamin na lang natin yan sa isang exclusive na panayam sa ating mga celebrity beauties. Simulan natin sa pinakabagong sexy siren na matunog, pinakabagong pinagkakaguluhan with her launching movie Prosty, Aubrey Miles.
I'm more than a sex siren because I also have a talent and you can actually prove it yourself.
Overnight hit naman ang susunod na babae na ito dahil sa galing niyang umindak. Ang pinaka-hit sa hit na sex bomb dancers, Rochelle Pangilinan.
Dahil magaling akong gumiling. Get out.
Di lang siya sexy star, isang magaling na actress at singer din, Patricia Javier.
Hi, I'm more than a sex siren because I can be a good partner in life.
At sino makakalimot sa kanyang all the way hubad performance sa box office hit na Scorpio Nights 2, which earned her the title Pantasya ng Bayan, Joyce Jimenez.
I'm more than a sex siren because I'm also a businesswoman.
Apat na pinakamainit na sex siren dito lang sa Sis Exclusive.
Sis, meron pa. Meron
pa?
Oo, may
O,
exclusive.
di lima yan.
Hindi, basta ganito. May exclusive
Okay.
interview pa with a celebrity balikbayan. Handa ka bang makaharap? Ang ex ng ex mo. Meaning, itong isang makakasama natin ay lumikha siya ng ingay noong 1993 nang pakasalan niya ang crush ng bayan na si Gabby Concepcion. Yung ex mo. At,
Ulitin ba talaga?
pero matagal
Alam na
yun.
namin, okay?
Baka sabi ko, past is past.
Oo, sige.
Alright, at na-involve pa sa isa pang malaking controversy na magkahiwalay sila noong 1995 nung ex mo. Umalis siya ng bansa noong 1997 at ngayong muling nagbalik sa Pilipinas. Sis Exclusive tayo ngayon, di ba? And we're lucky to have with us today Miss Jenny Sikia. Welcome back and welcome to Sis Jenny. Ang paghaharap ni Janice at Jenny one-on-one chikahan sa pagbabalik ng
Always be. We are sisters. We are sisters.
Live on Sis, we have have Miss Jenny Sequia.
Hello.
Hello, Jenny. How are you?
I'm fine, thank you.
So
it's
when
great
did you-
to be back.
When did you get here?
I arrived about a week ago, and I'm just here. I'm leaving in a couple of days.
That's why you're here for what, a week?
Yeah, just
Oh.
a little bit more than a week.
Wow, what a short vacation. You're here for a vacation. Is it just exclusively a vacation? Or are you here to do a little bit of work?
A little bit of both. I was actually in Hong Kong first for a fabric convention. I'm doing children's clothes now. And then I came to the Philippines to see the factory Bluebell that I work with that makes the clothes.
It makes
And
the
at
children's clothes.
Yeah, and at the same time, of course, I wanted to see my family and my friends. So here I am.
So how is Chloe, your daughter?
She's great. She's really tall. She's up to here.
And she's how old now?
She's only 8.
8
She
years
is shoe
old.
size 5.
Wow.
She's a tall girl. I think she's going to be about 5'8".
Of course, everybody knows that Chloe is the sister of Casey. Half sister of Casey. Have they seen each other? Have they met each other?
When Chloe was very young, before I left the Philippines, they met. Casey came to the house a few times. Sometimes we'd go out together with Chloe and Casey and Gabby. But that not since then.
And Chloe hasn't seen her dad also.
No, she hasn't. Unfortunately, she hasn't. Since she was 1.
But Chloe's not here because I was going to ask you if you had any plans of making them meet. Now that Chloe is a lot bigger and so is Casey.
I would love for them to meet again at some point, but Chloe is in school now, so she didn't come for this short trip with me. And since I was at the convention, I couldn't really bring her around with me on my business meetings. So next time I come to the Philippines, I'll bring her with me, and hopefully they can get together. I think they look alike.
There was a time you lived in Boston.
Yes.
When you were there, I think at that time Sharon was also there with her family.
That's right.
Did you ever see each other?
No, we never did. I was hoping that something would work out, that we could get together, but I think at that time we were both starting new lives. She was newly remarried, and I was also, and we were adjusting to being in the States and taking care of children, so no, but I'd love to see her again.
Since you're here, your in-laws are here, your ex-in-laws are here. Would you allow them to see Chloe if they wanted to?
Well, I think if they wanted to, it would be great. I mean, the more people that can give Chloe love, the better for her. And I don't want to stand in the way of anyone who wants to care for Chloe or have her in their lives.
You don't mind?
No.
Oh, that's nice. Your husband is not here. He's there. You left him there in Sweden.
Yeah, he's
How is married
babysitting.
life? How is married life?
It's really great. I have to say that my husband Philip is he's an incredible father. He takes such good care of Chloe.
Chloe.
He really goes out of his way to spend time with her. And I would have to say I think that Chloe is in many ways more like him than she is like me.
And when you left here, you had a magazine. What happened to your magazine? Don't you intend to pursue that? Since you said earlier that you'd be coming back here
Yeah.
every once in a while.
Yeah, Bride Philippines. And Jelly was on the cover of that. I
Yes.
remember when she was a debutante. I would love to be able to go back into working with writing. It's a passion that I have. But I'm really interested in finding something that, because I have to come back and look at the factories and look at the production, that I could do at the same time.
But don't you want to do it at the same time? Maybe you can come up with a magazine that goes out, once in every 2 months,
Yeah.
which will be time when you come here again.
Well, I think something I could do is write, but I definitely don't feel I'd be able to do a whole magazine because that's something that day in, day out, you have to be working on it. And it's something that I wouldn't be able to do all the way from Sweden. But writing is something I can do.
You were in show business for a short period. Don't you miss it?
You know what I really miss? I really miss my friends in showbiz, and I really miss the excitement. And it's great because I was able to see a lot of the people that I used to work with. And that's really fun, and that's something that I definitely missed.
Were you able to catch up with them during your stay here?
Yes, I
Oh, you
was.
did?
Yeah, some people I
That's
was, but
good.
it's such a short time. I was able to see my friends and my family, and then some people from showbiz, and that was nice.
You never learned to speak Tagalog.
Hindi.
Hindi. Konti. Konti.
Yeah, konti lang. I never, no. And that's terrible.
And you know, when you left the country, all the more that you were never given a chance to learn it, to learn it.
And then I moved, and now we live in Sweden, and I speak Swedish every day. And Chloe speaks Swedish, and yeah, it's just something that didn't happen. But you're never too old to learn a new trick. So maybe now.
No plans of settling down here with your family?
I don't think so. I mean, my husband's business, he works for his family, and that's based in Europe. So it wouldn't be something that would work for him unless he would branch out, and he's in construction, and if they were to start building something here in the Philippines.
Okay. Anyway, we have something for you. We learned that you love adobo when you were here. So our welcome gift. Wait. Okay.
How
Our
did you
welcome
learn
gift. We learned it. Somebody told us. From one of your friends. There, that's adobo. There.
Oh wow! You know who loves this? Chloe.
Oh, she does.
She
Do you know how to
loves
cook?
This. I know how to cook
So
this,
you
but
cook this?
probably not as good as this.
So you
Ruby.
cook this when you're there?
Yeah, I cook this.
What else? What other Filipino food do you cook?
That's pretty much the
That's pretty much
extent
it.
of my cooking when it comes to Filipino food. Rice, I'm really good at rice, but this is great, and I make this with chicken and sometimes with pork. It's always a
good.
hit when I have when I have dinner parties for all the sweets. Maybe I'll have 15 people come over. I'll make this because I can make it in one big pot, and it's
And you
very
can keep it. You can keep it put in the freezer.
and it's very exotic. They
Yeah,
they
and-
think it is very exotic to have Filipino food. So
That's why this is all yours. You can
thank
eat
you.
it.
This is a
And
special gift.
This
Thank
is
you
also
very
for
much.
you. This is pili nut.
Wow, all this stuff. You want me to get big?
You're on vacation. It's okay.
True.
And
These are
ano nga to?
delicious.
Barkiron.
Thank you.
And ano to? Hindi ko alam kung ano to. Puto seco. This
Puto
is all
seco.
for you.
Masarap.
So the things that you like. Thank you for being with us. Thank you for the chance of actually, this is our first time to meet. It was really nice meeting you.
It's been really nice meeting you, and I've of course heard so much about you through the years, and it's nice to
I've
sit
heard
down.
so much about you
Finally,
also.
we have a connection, right?
We have something in common.
Yeah.
Anyway, thank you again. Hope you enjoy your stay. When you come back here on Sis.
I will. I
We'd
hope
love to
see
have you
again.
back. Hope next time you can bring samples of your children's clothing so that they can also see.
And Chloe.
And Chloe.
Yeah, she would.
By
love
the
to
way,
be
are you
here.
selling those clothes here?
No, now they're only in the
there.
U.S. and in Europe, but I can get you.
Okay. Okay.
Uy, masyado
Thank
kayo
you.
nagbanding, Hindi naman lang pinag-usapan si Gabi.
Bakit
Kahit
ba?
pa, wala lang, naisip
Wala
ko
siya
lang.
dito.
Wala siya.
Wala siya dito. It's bad to talk about people who are not here.
Alright.
Okay, up close and personal sa mga pantasya ng bayan sa pagbabalik ng Sis.
Siyempre kasama pa rin natin ang apat sa pinaka-sexy at maaalindog ng babae dito sa Pilipinas ngayon. At hindi natin palalam, di ba, maalindog. Hindi natin palalampasin ang pagkakataon na ma-capture ng artists na kasama natin today ang ating mga girls. Kasama natin ngayon si Melbourne Aquino, si Von Aitona, si Fred Carion, at si Tony Huiden. Huiden? Yan, kasi sila po ang nagdo-drawing dyan, sketching. Ayan sila. Busy pa sila, busy. So, gaano ba kalaki ang pressure pag tinawag kang pantasya ng bayan? Hindi ba? Ito ba yung kailangan wala kang pimple? Hindi ba? Kailangan. Kasi pantasya ka na, ito kailangan,
Kailangan
sexy
ba
mo.
pag gising mo sa morning, pretty ka na? Yung,
Kailangan
ganda
ang
ko na.
kinis mo. Kailangan, di ba, sexy ka palagi. Ano ba? May diet forever? Exercise forever? Ano ba ang ginagawa niyo?
Dapat Joyce ikaw muna.
Ako ba? Syempre naman the pressure is keeping your weight. Yun, pinaka-unang-unang pressure is keeping your weight.
All the time, no? Kaya blessed ang mga
Mahirap.
babaeng ang metabolism ay fantastic,
Oo,
no?
nakakainis din, no? But yun ang pinakamalaki. Pero for me, wala. Minsan I get big, minsan I'm skinny. Pero I guess I accepted na already that na sometimes I'll be fat, sometimes I'll be skinny. Pero I feel na I've been accepted na already kahit payat or kahit mataba ako.
Siguro sa pagsasayaw mo, para nakakapag-workout ka na kahit kumain ka. Matakas ka ba kumain?
Parang siya na yung nagbibigay sa amin ng pinaka-anong exercise para sa amin. Kasi, di ba, grabe yung pawis.
Grabe yung
Kahit
giling,
anong
di ba?
kain, pwede.
Pwede.
Rochelle, di ba syempre, parati ka sumasayaw, meron na kayong signature dance. Meron na kayong signature dance. Hindi ka naman nila hinihinga na magsayaw each time. Yung kahit nakakasalubong ka nila, "Hi Rochelle, dance ka naman, oh."
Oo, minsan.
May ganon?
Ganon.
Ginagawa mo naman.
Kunwari, bibili ka sa mga store na
Mas masasayawin ka?
Sayo naman kayo, lalo na pag magkakasama kami. Sayo naman dyan, isang sex bomb. Wala naman kami magawa, syempre.
Sumasayaw?
Ay, hindi po pwede. Ay, hindi. Hindi po pwede. Lagay eh.
Uy, alam mo, hindi ko alam to. Nagulat ako.
Ano?
Nag-start si Patricia sa That's Entertainment.
Hindi nga talaga.
Oo. Actually, sa That's Entertainment ako nag-start nun. Pero at the time, hindi ako masyadong, hindi ako lagi lumalabas dahil nag-school pa ako nun eh.
Okay. So
Hindi ako
parang
active.
sumusulpot-sulpot ka lang.
Oo, pasulpot lang. Pangalan ko pa dati ng Genesis.
Bakit alam mo yan, Joyce?
Alam mo yun, ha? Bakit Genesis?
story niya.
Bakit Genesis?
Pinakadama pa yung badi-badi ko nun.
Lahat tayo paduy nun. Kaya mo na. Ganyan talaga. Lumilipas ang panahon.
Yun ang real name ko talaga, Genesis. Kasi di ba, the beginning. The beginning of...
First book. Oo.
Ano naman ang nagtulak sa'yo para magpa-sexy na finally, from that?
Wala lang, tinulak lang ako ng manager ko.
Tinulak ka lang
At
talaga.
nagpatulak ka naman.
Hindi kasi nung time kasi nung 1999, bali, parang nagpapatweetams pa rin ako, sumasama pa rin ako dun sa mga wholesome. Parang sabi ko, sandali, paano kaya to? Ang daming, di ba?
Ang dami na,
Ang dami namin. Parang paano ako mapapansin? Sabi namin, sige, tingnan natin kung may magawa tayo, at sabi ng manager ko. Tapos nung time na yun, nauna nun si Joyce. Actually, ito pa yung nagsabi sa akin, sige na, Patricia, kaya mo yan, ganyan. And then, yun, gumawa ako ng movie. Tapos after nun, nakita
Ano yung
niya-
movie na yon?
Kabit ni Mrs. Montero.
Anong feeling the first time kayo nag-bear? Ano yung feeling?
Ako yung feeling, kasi nag-workshop.
Aubrey, kasi dati, di ba, nasa ka naman?
Bebote nga.
Bebote nga, tsaka sa...
Best friend.
Best friend. So, syempre, iba yun. Comedy.
Sobra. Patweetams.
Patweetams.
Pa-cute-cute. Walang pa-sexy. Pero ngayon kasi, nag-workshop kami and then prepared naman ako. Marami na rin akong na-expect na... So, hindi rin ako nagulat talaga. Hindi ako shocked. Hindi naman.
Hindi
Prepared
ka
naman.
na, parang, ay, jahe, wala kang ganun.
Hindi, kasi yung director namin, Direct Eric Matthews, sobrang i-relax ka na.
At
Saka
made
hindi
you feel
naman sobrang
comfortable.
daming tao eh. So, okay naman sa akin.
Ako kasi, I didn't start off, cute eh. I went
Doon ka
sexy
na kaagad.
agad.
Oo.
Sexy agad. And my first movie that I had to bear, I was lucky kasi kasama ko si Albert. Me and Albert have the same manager.
Okay.
So, at least kahit pa paano, I know that he'll take care of me. And yun nga, kasi pareho din yung director ko, si Eric Mati, in my launching movie.
This
And
was
Scorpio Nights 2.
Okay.
So, he really makes you feel comfortable. And he makes sure, he wants you to make sure, he makes sure that you're comfortable. Kasi kung hindi ka comfortable,
Lalabas yun eh.
yeah.
Nakikita yun.
So, yun nga, kasama lang ako, si Albert siya. Tapos yung cinematographer, yun lang, sa room.
Kayong apat lang?
Mm-mm.
Secret.
Yeah, secret na secret.
Yung mga oras lang na yun, Until the whole nation watched it.
Kumusta ka naman dyan, Rochelle? Komportable ka dyan. Baka makatulog ka.
Ito, para hindi ka makatulog. Mga boys, ito na ang sayaw na nagpapahina sa tuhod ng kalalakihan. Here's Rochelle.
Okay, alright. I like it when you do like that. Yeah, baby, I like. Okay, alright. I like it when you do like that. Yeah, baby, I like.
my favorite sis, my fave sis. May napili na kami unang weekly winner sa my favorite sis. O,
Pakinggan
ayan.
nyo to, ha? At baka mamaya, story nyo to. 'Di ba? Sulat nyo ang babasahin ni sis. O, dali.
Ito pong heartwarming story na to ay galing kay Jean Ramiro.
Correct.
For her sister na si Pai. Okay, eto na ha. Dear Janice and Jelly, good morning mga sis.
morning.
Napanood ko po yung portion nyo tungkol sa my favorite sis. She is my only sister and her name is Pai.
Hi, Pai.
Hi, she is 3 years younger sa akin and I must say that we are very close. I
Ilan taon na
treat
kaya
her
siya?
plus 3 years nga. Ay, hindi.
Ilan taon kaya?
Hindi ko alam.
Oh, okay.
I treat her as one of my best friends and also my best enemy. Correct. Ganoon naman talaga eh. We share one room. And recently, we opened a bar in Pampanga.
Medyo may mga edad na ito.
Pagka nga minsan, tawagan pa kami sa phone para lang magchismisan. And as I said, best enemies din kami. Madalas kaming mag-away kasi opposites kami. Pag nag-aaway nga kami,
Dali, natatawa ka. Dali.
ako si Flor de Luna na tahimik lang. At siya yung kontrabida at syempre,
Bale,
hysterical
parang ako
siya.
yun. Oh, dali.
Ikaw to? Pero after a few minutes, nagbabati din kami agad at nauuwi sa isang malakas na halakhakan. Pai is my defender. Siya ang umaaway sa mga nakikipag-away sa akin and people around us never succeeded in keeping us apart. We are fiercely loyal to each other to the end. Wala ding inggitan between the two of us because the success of one is the success of the other. Sabi ko nga sa sarili ko, kahit siguro hindi kami magkapatid, I will still choose her to be my best friend. We are not only sisters, best of friends pa. And because she is one of God's greatest gifts to me, I think that I'm the luckiest person in the world. At dahil may makeover session pag napili ang letter ko at dahil lahat naman ng kakikayan ay sa kanya ko natutunan, gusto ko lang siyang lumigaya, even just for a day because she hasn't been smiling that much lately. Sana po mapili nyo ang letter ko and more power to your show. Love, Jean Ramiro. From Quezon City. Scout Limbaga, Quezon City.
So sa mga winners natin, hintayin ang aming tawag or notice para pupunta dito sa last week ng promo para ma-experience ang isang unforgettable moment sa pagsa-celebrate nyo mag-sis sa pamamagitan ng beauty makeover natin at lalo pa namin kayong pagagandahin.
That's right. So keep on sending those letters at huwag kalimutan ang picture nyong dalawa. Siyempre,
Send
kailangan
it
namin
to
yun.
My Favorite Sis, care of Sis Production Office, 8th floor, GMA Network Center, EDSA Corner, Timog Avenue, Diliman, Quezon City.
O mga sisa, kita-kita tayo dito sa My Favorite Sis.
So si Gina tsaka si ano? Ang pangalan ng
Si
sis
Jean
niya?
and Pai.
Gina and Pai. Fabulous. O, balikan natin ang ating mga sexy guests.
Okay.
Alika na, dali. Teka, maghihila-hila ako ng mga things.
Sana hindi mo tinatapunan ng unan si Rochelle.
Andiyan
Galit
pala.
ka?
Diyos ko.
Galit ka? Hinagisa mo talaga siya ng unang jelly. Sama ng ugali mo.
Rochelle, I'm so sorry.
Sama ng ugali talaga nito si Jelly.
Oh, tahimik mo. Kala ko wala ka dyan. Oh, dali. Pag-usapan naman natin ang inyong mga fans.
O syempre, sa inyong mga sexy beauties, hindi lang naman paghanga ang natatanggap nyo sa mga fans. Paano nyo kinikerry yun? Syempre, pagka, kunyari, namamasyal kayo, pag tinitingnan kayo ng mga boys, parang, wow.
Kulang na matulo laway nila, di ba?
Oo, parang ganon. Anong nafe-feel yung pagka ganon? Naiilang ba kayo?
O nararamdaman nyo ba man lang yun?
Nafa-flatter kayo? O nawi-weirdan kayo kasi parang alam nyo kung saan sila nakatingin?
Ako, kasi when I go out, I make sure naman na wag masyadong showy. Kasi, kumbaga if you don't want to be thought of a different way, then you shouldn't
Dress up
a certain
accordingly.
way. And for me, kasi, kumbaga, kung nasa mall ako, wala ako in front of the camera. Wala ako sa TV, wala ako sa film. So, this is my only way to dress me. Ito si Joyce. Ito yung totoong Joyce. So, I just dress the way I love to dress, which is just jeans and a t-shirt usually most of the time. Tapos actually, it's cute niya kasi it's the girls actually that make you pansin minsan, for me. Tapos they'll tell their husbands or their boyfriend, ay, look, si Joyce, si Joyce. So parang, why are you telling them? Or, tapos na...
Minsan cute, di ba? Cute
Cute.
tingnan.
Tapos natutuwa ako whenever little kids come up to me. when it's the little kids telling their parents, ay, si Joyce. Kasi kahit pa paano nakakakilig eh.
Have you had little boys like stare at you like that?
Yeah, and then they're like, Papa, si Joyce. Si Joyce. Ang cute. Sobrang cute.
Yeah, actually, ganun din naman ako eh. Especially ngayon nagwa-mall tour kami. Pag magpapapirma nung mga bumibili ng CD, parang nakikita ko puro babae yung pumipila. Sabi ko, ba't parang puro babae, wala lalaki? Tapos tatanong ko, parang kanino to?
Sa asawa ko.
Sa asawa ko yan. O sa
Napag-utusan
boyfriend
lang
ko.
po ako.
Mga lalaking ito, hindi pa pumbrand, gumagamit pa ng mga asawa.
Pero
Sinigaya, no? Natataranta sila eh.
Pero very, flattering kasi mga babae pa yung lumalapit. Diba?
At least hindi sila masyadong nagsiselos.
Oo.
Hindi nila inaaway yung mga asawa
Kaya pag
nila.
nagdededicate ako ng sabi ko kunyari, said from, see you in my dreams with your wife. Love, Patricia. Ayan.
Sige.
Bakit
Hindi ko
natigilan ka,
natuloy
Jelly?
naisip
Bakit
ko.
natigilan ka?
Huwag na
Maaga
lang,
pa masyado. Oo.
Aga. Ito. Meron bang naka-experience sa inyo ng stalker?
Rochelle, naka-experience ka na ba ng stalker? Yung sunod na sunod sa'yo?
Text ng text.
Kasi parang nakakatakot na.
Twice na.
Aba?
Na nangyayari,
Paano?
kahit saan malayo yung show namin, o kaya Davao, Cebu, lagi siyang nandun.
Ito, one person ito ha? Isang tao lang to?
Ang yaman niya, ha? Sumusunod pa siya.
Yung una, kahit sa Broadway, araw-araw. Araw-araw, kahit yung number ko, hindi ko nang pinagkakalat. Laging,
Alam niya.
tumatawag siya, pero kahit madaling
Lalaki
araw.
ito, lalaki?
Lalaki, dalawa, lagi.
Meron kayong mga fans na inimbitahan namin dito or na nandito talaga sila dahil sa inyo. Tawagin natin sila. Una muna, Patricia's avid fan. Nasaan siya?
Si Norilyn. Norilyn, where are you?
Uy, ang haba ng hair ni Norlene.
Come here, Norilyn.
Norilyn.
Okay, come here, Norilyn.
Oh, ang sexy naman niya.
Wow, ang haba ng hair.
Ang sexy din ni Norilyn.
Oo.
Gusto mo dito katabi ka kay Patricia?
Oo, sige. Tanong mo, Janice, ko anong request niya?
Ano ba request natin, Norilyn?
Miss Patricia, pwede bang mag-duet tayong dalawa? Kumanta.
Uy, duet!
Ay!
Ay, duet. O, yan. Anong kakantahin ninyo?
Ikaw.
Siya bang dahilan na lang yung sa album ko? Meron ka na bang album ko?
Wala pa.
O, sige, mamaya bibigyan kita. Pero kailangan bumili ka rin.
Pero kailangan sumayaw ka, Norilyn.
Siya ba ang dahilan? Okay, game. 1, 2, ready, go. Music.
Hindi ka sa masyado prepare. Okay. Siya ba ang dahilan? Kaya di mo na ako kailangan. Siya na nga ba ngayon ang bago mo? Wow, ang ganda pala ng boses niya.
Nako.
Alright!
Thank you, Norilyn.
Ang haba ng hair mo.
Oo, parang ang shy mo naman,
Para
Norilyn.
sa'yo, Norilyn.
Norilyn, balik ka.
Yan.
Ayan. Picture ni Patricia. Ayan.
O, tignan niyo ha. It's a girl.
Oo nga, diba? Isa siyang babae. Ito naman, Aubrey's avid fan, si Andre. At si Felix. Hindi. Isa lang yan, taong yan.
Okay ka ba? May naghihiwalay mo sila.
Ayan si Andre. Aubrey.
Pwede.
Anong, okay ka ka?
Parang hindi ka naman familiar sa akin.
Kunwari pa ito.
Si Andre. Uy, Andre, hindi ba dati artista ka? Kamukha mo lang. O, dali, Andre. Ano request mo kay Aubrey?
Hi. Hi first. Hi. Nice meeting you.
Sana hindi ka masyadong hiya.
Nainitan ako. It's hot.
Matapos mo kulitin si Janice para magpunta
Once in a lifetime to eh.
Alright.
You're in between the two. Request.
Oo, request.
I'm sorry. I'm speechless.
Feeling ko pinapatagal. Iniisahan
No,
kayo, oh. Pinapatagal niya.
Lunch or no. If it no. I'm sorry. No. Kiss na lang.
Kiss! Okay,
Next time na lang yung lunch.
Oh, kiss na lang, kiss. Oh, sige.
Ha?
Saan bang kiss ito?
Sinong kikiss? Ikaw o siya?
Ako na lang.
Ikaw na lang. O, sige. Saan mo siya kikiss?
I
Sa
don't know.
baba.
It's up to her. Eh, she's a girl. Ha?
Smack ba ito? Okay lang yun. Yung mga misis natin, naka-smack na sila.
I think my mom's watching. Hi, Mom.
Mom of Andre. Yes, ang smack
May
na.
finals pa kami. Hindi niya alam na. She doesn't know that I'm here.
Sige na, bilis na. Baka magbagong isip eh.
Okay lang ba? Ha?
Sa gilagid daw. Diyos ko po.
Sabi ng banda doon, lips daw eh. No, I'm kidding.
O, dali na. Ay! Diyos ko, nag-kiss na nga.
Hi, Mom!
O siya, picture. Okay. Ayan, picture. Bigyan mo yung picture. Ayan.
Ay, sus, kilala ko rin. Parang kilala ko rin itong kasunod na ito.
Pwede hug din. Last.
Sige na, last na. ha?
Last na.
Alright.
Dapat nire-react ko, Mom.
Tama na. Ay, Diyos ko.
Ay, sus! Ang dami naman nun.
Balik na doon.
Can I stay here?
Hindi.
Pagbalik ka na doon, Andre. Benchmate ko yan.
O, dali. Ang susunod naman, Rochelle sa Avid fan, si Chico Versosa. Chico.
Kilala ko ito. Pwede.
O, anong gagawin ni, ikaw, Chico?
Higa ka
Saan mo
din.
na siya upo daw? Saan ka ba
Dyan,
upo?
sa tabi ni
Dyan.
Rochelle.
Saan mo madala yung sa
Okay,
upo,
higa
Chico?
na. Dyan. Ano request mo kay Rochelle?
Fine.
Finals
sa amin yan eh. Pero
O, dali.
alam ko, pinapanood ko na talaga dati sila. Nag-umpisa pala, pinapanood ko na sila talaga dati.
Talaga?
Oo. Maski break namin, pinapanood
So,
ko sila.
nag-a-absent ka sa school?
Hindi naman. Buti na lang wala akong klase ng alas 12.
Okay, so anong request mo kay Rochelle? Sayaw.
Siyempre yung trademark na sex
Okay,
bomb.
sige, kayong dalawa. Dali. Sayaw kayong dalawa. Music, please.
Gusto mo talaga sa
Music,
stage,
please.
Chico.
Alright, are you ready? Wag press ko, ha? Dahan-dahan, ha? Sige nga, dito ako. Watch ko kayo. Music, please. Ayan na. Ayan na. Hala. May buto ka ba, Rochelle? Woohoo! Meron talaga siya. Oh, yan. Ayan na, ayan na. Ala. Gosh, si Rochelle parang walang buto. Naku, paingit sa'yo, daddy mo.
Hindi niya alam to.
Malalaman niya ngayon. Thank you, Rochelle. Kiss daw. Nagpakiusap pa. May pakiusap si Chico na isang
Siyempre,
kiss.
ay, mabaya ka na ulit.
Ayan.
Siyempre, kumpleto kami dyan.
Gusto ko lang sabihin sa inyo, guys, hindi kayo makakalas.
Pwede daw ba hug?
Saan?
Hug daw, hug. Hug muna, dali na. Oh, ayan.
Isang oras lang show namin, Chico.
Ito naman,
Okay.
avid fan ni Joy, si JP Casas. Ay! Alaba! Talaga naman. So, JP.
Hello.
Ayan. Ito, hiramin mo muna yung kay Aubrey. Ayan. Alamig mo! Alamig ng kamay! Diyos ko!
Sino man naman di kakabahan, diba? Ano yung silang dalawa?
Ewan ko, ba't ako di ako kinakabahan? Bakit kaya, girls? Mag-holding hands na lang kayo ni Joyce habang nagtatanong ka ng request.
Sabi na to.
Oy, Diyos
Takas
ko!
lang ako rin eh.
Tumakas kayo.
Kasi finals namin,
Tapos takas. So, ano
Ma'am,
request?
champion.
Okay na kayo.
Hi, Mom!
Hi, Ma'am. Nakasal na kami.
Anong request mo kay Joyce? Anong request mo kay Joyce?
Ako, simple naman kasi ako eh. Kasi gusto ko lang mga hug lang, tapos sabay kiss, tapos mamaya date na rin. Pwede okay lang.
Tanong ko kaya muna si... Ay! 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 Diyos
palang kausap ko si Joyce eh.
Wholesome. Pwede na
Sabi
akong
niyo, diba? Hugs, sabay kiss.
Saan ko gusto, no? Dama ko ng hina ka, JP.
Hugs,
my
sabay
day.
kiss. Okay, tapos.
Oh, yun na pala. Ang dali naman pala kausap ni Joyce eh.
Oh, ito.
Si Baka Pulet.
Okay.
Diyos ko.
Huwag ka busagin. Oo. Halika na.
Kasi si Joyce kasi, ever since her first appearance, I really admire her kasi, wait lang.
Nakanood ka ba ng ano?
Tubig or something.
Ng Scorpion Nights 2. Pwede ka ba pumasok sa sinehan no, nung pinalabas ng Scorpion Nights 2?
Ay, hindi pa ako nanonood dun kasi wholesome din ako.
Ilan taong ka na ba?
19.
Na, hindi pa pwede noon. Oo.
Pero ngayon pwede.
Pero ngayon pwede
Yeah,
na.
pwede.
Pwede na.
Diyos ko. Kaya mo ba? Baka himatayin ka.
Parang
ko na
makakatayo
kaya.
ka kaya dyan.
Okay lang, okay
O siya, mas marami pa silang pakikiligin sa pagbabalik na...
Halika na.
Always be. We are sisters. We are sisters.
Thank you.
Ladies and gentlemen, Aubrey Miles! Oh, di ba?
Hindi man ako nagpo-promote ng
Hindi lang
album
siya.
ko.
Hindi lang siya sexy at saka pretty face. Nag-aaral ka pala sa Conservatory of Music
Yeah.
sa UST.
Wow.
Pero nag-stop ako for a while. Kasi medyo hectic yung schedule.
Kasi
Pero I'm planning to
maraming-
go back.
Planning to go back.
Yeah, pag medyo may time management na ako, pag alam ko na yung schedules, ganyan.
Good luck. Tuloy
Thank
mo
you.
yan.
Oo naman. Nako, ang mga kasama natin today ay mga kabilang sa mga sexiest women sa bansa. Pero palalampasin ba natin ang malaman natin ang 10 sexiest men para sa kanila? Syempre, hindi. Inalam po namin secretly ang 10 sexiest men para sa kanila. At eto po ang listahan nila.
Siyempre, Patricia, hindi kami papayag.
Oo naman.
Parang
Napaka-safe
given na
mo
yun.
naman eh.
Hindi kasi totoo naman, di ba? Ang sexy-sexy ni Mark Nelson. Kahit ex ko na yun, na-appreciate ko pa rin yung
Sexy
body
pa rin
niya.
siya.
Yes.
Siya pa rin talaga ang number 1.
Siya pa rin ang number 1, pero ngayon, I'm trying to move on. So,
To number
Another na to number 2.
Sino ba yung number 2?
Number 2, hindi, totoo to I like Ariel Rivera.
Uy, haba ng hair ko.
Hindi nga, totoo.
Hindi ko kaya. Napakan niya ata.
Hindi, gusto ko yung color niya, tsaka yung legs niya.
Maganda ba yung siya? Oo nga, maganda. Machong match.
O ngayon naman, ay si Joyce. Why Jericho?
Wala, gusto ko lang kasi yung type ng lalaki, gusto ko yung medyo...
Moreno medyo.
Yung gano'n,
Macho,
medyo astig, yung gano'n.
Lalaking lalaki.
Yes, yun ang type ko, so yun.
O dali, si Rochelle.
Si Wendell.
Bakit
Uy,
nga si Wendell?
si
Kasi
Wendell.
yung tingin niya, parang, pag tinignan ka niya, parang nakakatunaw.
Talagang gumanon na.
Parang may ganun, may sayaw talaga.
Oo, may sayaw pa din.
So napapasayaw ka pag nakikita mo si Wendell, napapaganon
At
ganun.
saka aminin na natin, ang kinis-kinis ni Wendell.
Oo, no?
Correct.
Flawless.
Napaka-flawless. Makinis pa siya sa ating lahat pagsamahin natin.
Si Aubrey naman.
Si Aubrey.
Si Richard.
Oo, kasi parang mahilig na ako sa matatangkad. Tall, dark, and handsome talaga yung pinaka-ideal, ideal man ko. Yeah, mahilig lang ako sa mga, parang, basta gusto ko yung lalaki din, lalaki. Parang nasa loob ko lang yung mga may pagka-wild, mga ganun.
Wala, ano sabi mo? Kalimutan ko, hindi ko na. Ulit.
May
Parang may
pagka-wild.
pagka-wild ng konti, pero conservative, parang ganun.
Yun ang gusto mong guys.
okay.
Parang Richard Gomez, ganun.
O siya, ipapakita na namin ang resulta ng mga portrait nila when Sis returns. Ito na ang mga nanalo sa Sis Tip Kita kahapon.
Mercedita O. De Vera, Iline Tolentino, Antonieta V. Alviola.
Congratulations sa mga winners. Ite-text ng GMA sa inyo ang PIN number ng 500 peso prepaid reload na napanalunan ninyo. Kaya sa inyong may mga beauty tips, mag-text na. Type iWrite space TIP space at ang beauty tip mo at ipadala sa 2344 for Globe and 4627 for Smart and Talk and Text subscribers. Abangan sa hapon kung napili ang beauty tip mo. More than 20,000 pesos ang ipamimigay every week. At pwede ka pang manalo ng 50,000 pesos kung ikaw ang may pinakamadaming entries. Kaya sali na sa Tip Kita!
Best of friends, we'll always, always be. We are sisters, we are sisters. Sisters, we are sisters.
Sis would like to thank Bambi Fuentes,
Salon de Manila,
Chloe for Janice Eyewear,
Cornerina Vision for Jelly's Eyewear,
F&H Folded and Hung,
Wayless Center,
Optical Works,
Balut Creations,
Zenzes,
JBL Furniture,
Grand Flora,
Wade Shoes,
Janilyn Shoes,
Cal Computer School,
Colleen Appliance Center,
Maldita.
Kama Kusina at iba pa, Medical Plaza.
Congratulations, baby, dahil ikaw ang aming ang cute mo baby ko for today. You can claim your prize at Sis Production Office, 8th floor GMA Network Center, EDSA Corner, Timog Avenue, Diliman, Quezon City. Look for Louie Cadag tuwing Lunes, 1 to 3 p.m. Congratulations! O, eto na ang finished product ng mga portrait na ginawa sa ating mga girls. Unang-una sa lahat, ito kailangan, tinan nyo, si Patricia.
Ako ba yan?
Anghel ka ba, Patricia, at meron kang halo?
May halo.
Diba? Meron siyang halo.
Ang galing.
Hello,
Invisible.
Patricia.
Invisible.
Thank you.
Eto naman, si Joyce. Ayan. Talagang cleavage yun. Si Joyce. Ganito ba yung cleavage niya? Oo. Cleavage Joyce. Joyce Cleavage Jimenez. Alright, next.
Si Rochelle.
Ito hindi na nagawang nakahiga dahil ang likot-likot mo. Ayan, si Rochelle. Oo. Ito naman si Aubrey. Yan. Ginawa lang nila ito habang nagkukwentuhan tayo.
Bilis, no?
Ito ang pinaka-sexy sa lahat.
Ay, oo naman.
Kami ni Johnny.
O yan.
O in fairness, nilagyan tayo ng boobs. O, yan o.
Oo, ikaw. Ang laki ng boobs mo, Jelly. Grabe.
O, diba? Ako ba ito?
Grabe, ang laki ng boobs mo
Oo,
dyan.
ako yan. In my dreams. Alright. So, ayan. Sa inyo na yan.
Thank
Sa
you.
Iuwi
inyo
nyo
na
na
yan.
yan.
Keep nyo na yan.
Thank you, girls.
Thank you,
Thank you,
girls. We
Nancy.
enjoyed
Thank
having you here.
Thank you.
Oo.
Meron ba kayo ipopromote?
Yes. Joyce.
Ako ba? Tomorrow, showing of Paraisong Parasukat. October 16th, that's tomorrow. Sorry, with Jay Manalo. And it's directed by Joy Reyes. And we also have a mall tour on tomorrow. I'll be in SM Bacoor, SM South Mall, SM Sukat. And then on Saturday, the 19th, I'll be in SM Mega Mall, SM Centerpoint, Tutuban, and SM Manila. And October 20, I'll be in SM Fairview, SM North, Grand Central, Ermita, and Gallery. And also, thank you for everyone who's bought Private Joyce. It is all sorry stores. And I am launching a new line which is called Skin Private Joyce. Yun na.
Yes.
Okay.
Ako rin, thank you sa lahat ng mga bumili ng album ko, PJ, Secret. Naka-out na po to sa lahat ng mga music bar. And sa lahat ng wala pa pong copy, sana po bumili po kayo, supportahan niyo po ako. Thank you, sis.
Yes. Huwag niyo po kalimutan, Prosty showing pa po. Extended siya.
Rochelle.
Ako rin, October 26, nandun po kami sa Suburbia. October 31 sa... October 26 sa Music Museum. October 31 Suburbia.
Last question. What is sexy? What is being sexy?
Me? Confidence.
Confidence.
You have to have confidence in order to be sexy.
Sexy.
Oo. Siguro pag alam mong, kahit hindi ka sexy, basta sa loob mo, feel mo sexy ka, parang
Yeah.
sexy ka na rin.
Sexy, it's how you project what's inside you. How you project it outside.
Rochelle.
Ganun din po ako. Kung ano po yung nasa ugali mo o nasa loob mo, sexy ka talaga.
Ayun.
Okay, ikaw, Janice, what is
Okay.
being sexy?
Ha? It is definitely not me. It is definitely not me.
And on that note, goodbye, everybody!
Bye!
Bye! Oh, ayan, ayan. Display.
Oo nga, but parang...
When it's time for some action, just like Coco, I need some satisfaction. Log on your net and browse me with interaction. The bug, ticket to the when it's stung like a blow, ripping off the rhythm with the beat full of funk. Categorize me as the sex goddess of the century. It gasms my flow to the next.